Hello and welcome to HWM in Walton-on-Thames. Today I'm going to be walking you around this lovely 420S SV. Finished in silver. This car is currently sitting on the 15-inch alloy wheels with the Avon ZZS tyres. It's got lots of nice features, but we'll run through that and the condition in further detail. Okay, starting off, this car was first registered in January 2017. It's covered just under 6,000 miles. So as you would expect, it's in lovely condition. It does have some paint protection film on the car, so it's got it on the leading edges of the front cycle wings, and also most of the front nose cone is covered as well. It goes up around here and covers the main front part up to about here. So it does help protect the paintwork against stone chips. On the rear stone guards, these chrome ones, they are a bit chippy, but they are stone guards. And it does have paint protection film on the rear arches as well. To move on to the specification, we'll start at the front and at the lights. It does have the LED headlights. These are the factory option ones, and it does have the clear lens pack on there as well. The components have been finished in silver on this car, so that gives you the chrome headlight bulbs, the chrome stone guards, the silver surround around the windscreen, as well as the aero filler cap in silver. It does give it a very classy look with the silver. So moving on to the side of the car, one bit of paint protection film I didn't mention is on the side panels. So it does have it from this point here all the way to this point here. It does have a protective film which does help protect the side against stone chips, especially on the other side of the car where the exhaust isn't. You can also see it does have the silver finish on the catalytic converter. That is also part of the components silver finish pack. And then these 15-inch alloy wheels do look very smart. So yeah, it's a very nice spec. Okay, so moving on to the rear of the car, all in lovely condition. One nice add-on that the previous owner put on the car was these additional brake lights. So as well as the brake lights being here, it does also have these on the roll bar, which does give greater visibility, which can never hurt in a Caterham where you're quite low down. This one does have the track day roll bar as well, so it gives you these additional cross bracings over the standard roll bar. And another feature that you can't see on this one that it does have is the half hood. So it's got the full weather gear with it in a nice bag that can sit across here. But it does also have the more popular option for a hood, which is the half hood, which clips onto the poppers on the front and then comes around here and just clips in with straps that are here and underneath here. Okay, so moving on to the interior of this 420S. Being the SV, it is wider and longer and gives you a lot more cabin space than the standard Series 3 chassis. This one does also have the lowered floors. So in terms of cabin space in a Caterham, this is as big as it gets. This one does have the black leather seats as well as the 4-point harnesses. The steering wheel is also leather. It's not quick release on this one, but that sort of thing, like most options on Caterhams, can be added. And then you've got all your switches and dials, everything from the speedo to the rev counter to your fuel gauge, oil pressure and temperature gauge. Okay, I hope you have found this video useful. If you've got any further questions or would like to discuss different funding options we have available, do please give us a call on 01932 240 611. You can also find more details on this car on our website at hwm.co.uk.